Hi, today we're going to walk through how to set up and program the MATelec TIMER-TS 24H-AF 24-hour analog time switch. This time switch uses a simple dial and half-hour segments, making it ideal for everyday time-based control. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This video covers programming only. All wiring must be completed by a licensed electrician and diagrams are included with the time switch. The time switch face represents a full 24-hour day. It also has hands which reflect a standard analog clock. You'll see markings for 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21 hours to guide your setup. The hands are used to set the current time, just like your wristwatch. To set the time, use the adjustment dial and rotate it to turn the hands until the current time is reflected as if it were on an analog clock face. Always turn the dial clockwise. Do not turn the dial anti-clockwise. This can damage the mechanism. It is important to only use the dial to set the time. Do not try and adjust using the clock hands. Programming is done using the small segments around the dial. Each segment represents 30 minutes. To set an on period, push the segments for the time you want the load to run out. Use markings on the dial to select the appropriate segments. Any segments left in the default position will remain off. For example, to run from 8 AM to 10 AM, locate 8 on the dial and push each segment out through to 10. That includes 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30 and up to 10. Once set, the time switch will turn on and off automatically each day. The time switch also includes a manual override switch with 3 positions: always on, always off and auto. In auto mode, the time switch follows your scheduled programming. Note that the switch orientation may differ from other time switch models, so always check the markings. And that's how to set and program the MATelec TIMER-TS 24H-AF time switch. Simple setup, reliable control, built for everyday installs. For more information, refer to the supplied documentation or contact the MATelec Australia team.